Hello everyone, today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Frigidaire 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. So this was a gift that we wanted to try out into our main space, and the first step was to simply open up the box itself. You'll notice that there are these 4 bands that were just surrounding it, and remember to, whenever you're delivering it or carrying it around, to keep it right side up to make sure that it doesn't get damaged or anything. But the opening, you can literally do it with one hand, as I'm doing right here. You can cut off the strands and finally open it up so that you have all the materials up top to be able to kind of work on. Now inside, carefully remove each one of the pieces itself just to make sure that you're taking care of your unit assets coming out, because some of the stuff is located inside of each of the department areas. And then you get access to the main air conditioner. Now, you might be tempted to take off these staples on the side, but remember earlier you had the 4 strands that were actually cut off. In doing so, you can actually just remove the entire box out to expose the unit itself. And here it is in all its glory, the Frigidaire AC unit, as well as the attachments that go along with it. Do not throw anything away, as you will be using most, if not all, of the actual steps that are next to it. So these are the bands that go next to the window itself, and this right here is the actual stretcher that connects the device to the outside. My only complaint is that honestly it's kind of small. Like, compared to the Hisense, yeah, it still moves up and down, but these 2 little screws are the only things that are going to be preventing it from falling over. So make sure that you're mindful as to how tight you end up making that. And it also comes with this nifty little remote for you to be able to like turn it on and off and make its settings as you please. But again, not really a requirement. You can do this manually as well. So one of the things that gave me the hardest times was installing this piece right here. Basically, it goes to the back of the Frigidaire AC unit, and you have to connect the long attachment hose to it. So it's pretty straightforward. Like, it's open, and all you have to do is kind of pop it in. But like I said, this gave me the hardest time to be able to kind of push it in, because it didn't really open right away. It actually took some time for it to be able to do so. So just my own little peeve, something to keep in mind. So through trial and error, I was actually able to kind of push it in. And again, it just kind of clicks into place until it's finally fully attached. And you're able to kind of like maneuver it as you need to. So once that's done, the rest of it is kind of easy. You actually just slide the cover in right here, and it slips right in. So there's nothing really to click too much after that. I did do it here just kind of to show you, but to be honest, like how hard it is to put the attachment in, especially with the one that goes to the outside, I recommend keeping them separate so that you don't actually have to keep them together. So right here, like I said, I made the mistake of trying to do it while it was already attached. What I would do in retrospect is I would actually just kind of keep them separate, and before even attaching it to the AC unit, see, you can already see that it fell out. I would rather do it this way. It's just easier to be able to kind of like clasp it on and be able to just avoid that entire mess altogether. Because again, it is such a pain in the rear end to be able to kind of smash it in without, because I was worried the entire time it was going to break. So once I finally was able to get it attached, as you can see, it's able to kind of like firmly lock into place. In comes the next part. We want to attach it to the outer casing, the one that's going to go on your window. And again, it seems pretty straightforward. But one of the things that I noticed was that it kind of limits your option. The actual hose itself is wider than the attachment that goes on the window itself. And if placed in the wrong setting, it might not actually be able to close even with the attached barbs. So take a look at this. Basically, once I try to put it on my window, you'll notice that it's so round that I can really only attach it to the right side of my window itself, because the left side has this attachment that doesn't even let it go in proper measurement with it. So yeah, you could flip it over to make it fit, but if you try to clasp it any other way, it just doesn't stick. So I settled for the right side, and there you have it. Like, it's stuck on there and able to kind of hose out. It's not as powerful as my Hisense, but it kind of gets the work done. So like I said, the attachments are there. You have the option of the remote control if you really need it and you want to be able to use it from far away and everything. But again, not it's not really a requirement. Like this thing is going to run properly with you just being able to go into it manually and be able to do so. But again, the remote handy tool, if you're just like laying in bed or on your couch and you're kind of far away, you can always just kind of turn it on and be able to adjust the settings from far away without needing to get up. But again, entirely up to you if that's what you want. Personally, I'm indifferent about it. Like, I don't know if I'll use it. If I do, great. But if I don't, I feel like it's not that big of a deal breaker. All in all, I gotta say it's an okay unit for the price itself. Like it has your standard features, like you can set it to cool, fan, dry, and you can change the temperature down and up. And if you really don't want the AC unit, you can just turn it on and it's just a traditional fan that you can have inside the room that filters out the air itself and then just ejects some of that hot air outside. But again, I'm not completely wowed by it. If you're looking for something standard to fit a small sized room, it's great. Like I said, my personal room that me and my wife have, like, it's not huge. So this thing kind of does a pretty good job of keeping the entire area fresh and it's nice. Like that's a good word for it. It's nice. It's not necessarily the strongest unit out there. You'll find something better, but if you're looking for something with no real frills, like this thing is gonna shoot out the hot air out of the room and keep you cool.